Hi, I am Dr. Bonnie Clipper, the Chief Clinical Officer at Wambi. Today, I'm here with Dr. Karen Tilstra, co-founder at the Advent Health Innovation Lab and founder at Creativity Effect. We want to share a few moments of insight, gratitude, and inspiration with you. Karen, thanks for taking the time to be with me today.
Oh, I feel it's a privilege. Thank you for having me.
It's always my pleasure. And Karen, what thoughts and insights can you share with our healthcare heroes and leaders at this difficult and challenging time?
Well, I just have to say, I've always admired nurses, but my admiring in the past pales in comparison to what I feel about nurses and frontline healthcare workers in this day of Corona. I have been so impressed with their not even questioning, should I help? Should I be there? They just go. And it really came home to me the other day. The hospital called for volunteers to do temperature checks of people coming into the hospital. And some people said, no, not going to do that. I would quit before I do that. And it made me think, oh my gosh, nurses show up every time. They're showing up. I have not heard any stories of nurses say, I'll quit before I have to go help a patient that's sick with COVID-19. Nobody was having ill intent. I think they were afraid, but it made me realize, wow, they just show up. They don't question. And my youngest son, his girlfriend is a nurse, and I've talked to her because she's in one of the big hospitals here. And she said, yeah, we are careful. And she said, there's so much to do. And I thought, wow, that is so inspiring. They don't think about not doing it. And also another population that really came into my awareness is kind of an invisible population, the morgue people who work in the morgue. I have become aware of their difficult work, triple gowned, triple gloves, removing bodies from rooms, trying to be very respectful. They can't really, it's not how normally in normal conditions the body's removed, and how they're trying to be really respectful to families and be very mindful that when the body's removed, they really can't connect again. And just the intentionality of those people that handle the bodies after someone has passed away has really I've become aware of that. And they don't have to be that thoughtful, but they are. And I just was amazed too at some of the, not just the extra mile, the 100th mile some of these people are going. And I think at this time in our history where there's so much polarity and so much, quotes, angry fake news, and nurses and frontline healthcare workers have come up to be seen as what love looks like and how humanity can really be elevated at such a high level by just giving. And doesn't matter what a political side they're on, they're working together and they're doing it. And I think it's a wonderful breath of fresh air for our world right now when we have seen so much division in politics and just many, many things. Anyway, I'm so inspired. I could go on, and you're probably saying, okay, you can stop talking any minute. But I've just been so impressed. And again, I've said before about nurses is their superpower is their creative thinking and their giving. And I just say it again. I love, thank you, nurses. Thank you, all the healthcare workers on the front lines that have not thought of themselves first, but have given everything for their patients. It inspires.
Well, and you know what I love of what you have just shared is there's really a couple themes that emerge, right? One is selflessness, one is empathy, and one is dignity. And we see that. And it's so needed, and shining the spotlight on that. Those are the things that are going to get us through this. So Thank you. Thank you for bringing that to our attention today.
Well, thank you for having me. I feel just by being able to thank them, I feel like a better person. So see, they help in so many ways.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And Karen, where can people find you on social media?
Well, I'm really grandmotherly in this, since I'm kind of not as much as I should be. But they can find me not to call out grandmothers. Yeah, my team pushes me more on social media than they can find me on creativityeffect.com. That's one of our web pages. So it's creativityeffect.com. Or on Facebook, Karen Tilstra. I mean, it's my own Facebook page, but we do a lot of stuff, and we probably should broadcast it more to help more people, but we seem to be so busy. But yeah, creativityeffect.com.
Awesome. And just know there's some really tech savvy grandmothers out there, so you need to find that club.
That's what I realized. I didn't mean to throw them under the bus, but I just know something.
No buses. There's no buses here, Karen.
Okay.
All right. Well, that is super awesome stuff. And while we're at it, I'm just going to say Karen and I have known each other for quite a long time. And Karen has actually just pointed out a while ago that I do have a little bit of a new haircut, which is the result of my DIY this weekend. So thank you for that, Karen. Appreciate the observation.
That's good. Well, just go online and look at Mona Lisa.
We'll be checking it out. All right, Karen, you're awesome. I so appreciate your time. And I am Dr. Bonnie Clipper. And remember, at Wambi, moments move us.